Greetings from Disney's All-Star Music Resort. Welcome to our 2023 Disney trip. We're so excited to have you guys along here on the Millennial Cruiser channel, and I am checking in here on day one. We just flew in this morning and took the Mears transportation buses on over to our resort, and we are just settling in quickly before heading down to Disney Springs. So we'll hopefully be bringing you guys along for that because we are doing some new stuff tonight that we've never done at Disney Springs. But I first wanted to let you guys know, first of all, this room, nicely renovated. So we've actually stayed at All-Star Sports twice, but never All-Star Music or Movies, and we knew that they had been renovating rooms slowly over time. And let me tell you, this room is so cute. It reminds us so much of Pop Century. It is like exactly the same essentially as Pop, except for obviously slight decor changes, but the setup is completely the same and all of the like furniture is very similar. The bathroom, this is it behind me, so that's like the toilet and shower room, and then of course we have the lovely vanity area with the amazing lighting that I just adore so much for my makeup when we're on vacation. But yeah, so this is kind of the room. It's quick, it's brief, you know, I'm not gonna go through the whole thing because there is a tour of a Pop Century room that we stayed in on this channel, and I will link it somewhere on the screen here. If you want to go look, it's very, very similar to that. And again, we are at All-Star Music, which is a budget-friendly Disney resort. It was actually on sale when we purchased it, so we did get a really good deal on it, and I'm very, very happy so far with the quality. It's great. It's awesome. We're not in the room much anyway, so we're not one to splurge on crazy hotel rooms. Like, we just want the basics for right now. When we bring our son down the road, we might splurge on some special stuff, but for right now, this is good for Brandon and I. So speaking of Brandon, he is actually heading to the lobby to pick up an Instacart order, which this is the first time we've ever done this. We ordered Instacart while we were on the bus on the way here, and we just picked up some drinks and snacks to keep in the room and to also pack in our bag for the parks. So we got some like Cheez-Its and granola bars and stuff just to like tide us over. Can you guys hear that? It's like this clanging noise, like, okay, that was strange. Anyway, so we just picked up an Instacart order, like I said, so he just went to grab that at the lobby, and it was super duper easy, super quick, and will tide us over snack-wise, you know, after a long day or first thing in the morning. We like to just kind of have something super quick before heading to the parks. It's just like better that way, I feel like, because sometimes it can be a minute before you get in there to get breakfast, and it's a lot cheaper than getting breakfast at the quick service, although we do sometimes do that, but we find snacks to be a lot better, and we also can get to the parks a lot faster that way. So if you're looking to get to the parks quick, definitely order yourself some snackies. So when he returns, we are going to head to the Springs. I am wearing just a very simple little outfit for this. I'm not wearing anything really Disney related. We are going to hop around a bit, I think, at the Springs and try a bunch of different food that we have not yet. I know we want to hit Chicken Guy, and I know we want to go to Gideon's because somehow we still have never gotten Gideon's cookies, guys. Like, I don't know how we've managed to not get them, but we haven't. So we are going to do that as well. And I think also the plan is to just kind of like bop around and get some drinks and appetizers in different places. Not 100% sure though, because our plans tend to just kind of change and morph as our trips go on. There he is.
I'm back.
So anyway, we will kind of play it by ear down at the Springs, and I will let you guys know what we end up doing. Obviously, I'll show you. And there is our Instacart order. Gatorades, Cheez-Its, granola bars, all the crackers, all the works, you know, all the good stuff. So we are gonna get this all unpacked and head down to the Springs, and we will see you all when we get there. So we just tried to go to Gideon's for the first time to get a cookie, and their air conditioner's broken and they're closed. Of course. So now we are headed to Chicken Guy instead to get some lunch and some drinks and some air conditioning, and we're gonna hope that Gideon's opens up by 4, they said. Maybe. Okay, so we're in World of Disney because we want to go to Chicken Guy and we went the wrong way and ended up on the other side. So we decided to come in here and look at baby clothes.
See what we can get Teddy.
Yeah, we're shopping for our son now, not us. All right, we're at Chicken Guy. We got the mac and cheese with a 3-piece tender combo. So it comes with the fries. And then Brandon got buffalo sauce, and I got sweet and sour. And a Coke. And a lemonade. That looks good. This is the radar at the moment. Looking good, looking good. Okay, food review, go.
Chicken Guy was pretty good. Not a big fan of the fries. Chicken was good.
And the buffalo sauce was good.
Buffalo sauce was very good too.
The sweet and sour was also good, but it has a kick to it. And the mac and cheese is very good.
Mac and cheese is alright.
Brandon's a tough critic.
Yeah. I've had better.
Okay, all right, that's the verdict. So it's raining. It's raining a lot. We're in the Lego store now. Got my usual polite punch. We're at Polite Pig, and Brandon got a grapefruit margarita.
It's very good.
Oh, good.
Once you get around the salt rim, because there's a lot of salt on it, very good.
I'm surprised it's like that clear. I was expecting a pink tinge.
I was too.
Huh. We're in the co-op. Browsing. It did stop raining. Now it's really steamy outside because the humidity got worse. So, it's good. All right, so we are slowly making our way back over to where the buses are because we're exhausted.
No. Yep, we're gonna go back, hang out for a little bit.
Brandon is hitting a wall pretty quick.
Hitting a wall,
I'm hitting a wall. It's hot.
And we got a bunch of showers coming through, so we're like trying to kind of bounce around the showers at the same time.
We keep trying to go places and they're closed. Like one Bar George was closed.
Gideon's
is closed.
Gideon's
still.
AC is out.
They're still closed.
We can't get in.
So we might come back later, but probably not. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, we going that way.
Yeah.
Turning. So yeah, we're just gonna go back to the resort and maybe sleep instead.
At least hang out, lay down for a little while. We talked about coming back down a little later. The storm was supposed to blow away around 7 or so. It's like 4 o'clock now. So it gives us a few hours to go back, lay down, relax, see how we feel, and if everything goes well, we'll come back down or we'll go to the bar at the resort. So
exactly.
We'll see what happens.
We'll just do whatever. It's fine. We're on vacation. Who cares? Walking the wrong way again. Okay, update. So we're back in the room. We both took a very short nap, like 45-minute nap, and then woke up and decided we needed to get dinner. So Brandon just ran to the quick service at the resort here to pick us up some food, and I got the Greek salad, he got chicken strips. Not gonna lie, I feel like at other resorts we've stayed at, there has just been a little bit more variety. They had like, I'm not even joking, like 5 different kinds of burgers, but then like 1 or 2 other things. Like it was kind of strange, but I'm kind of excited for the salad, I won't lie. I think it's gonna be good. Like I said earlier when we were leaving Disney Springs, we are wiped out. We are just like not used to the heat yet, and we also are exhausted from last night. We didn't stay at home. We stayed at my mom's house before our flight this morning, which was very, very early. We got up at 3 a.m. So it's just been a really long day, and we both agreed that being in good shape for the parks tomorrow just makes a lot more sense. Tomorrow is Hollywood Studios, and so we are going to rope drop it so that we can ride Rise of the Resistance first thing and make sure we at least get on it once, and our goal is actually to get on it again later in the day. We just have a lot planned for tomorrow, and we are planning on being at the park from open to close with a little like something in the middle of the day, which I will not say what that is right now. You guys will have to wait and see in that vlog, but we are leaving the park to do something else. So we want to be able to just do the things that we said we were going to do. Anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a little update. It's like 7:15 right now. I'm very comfortable in my bed, I have to say. We FaceTimed the baby. with my mom. He's doing great with her. He's having a blast with Mimi, so he's good. And we're just like taking full advantage of just being able to lay down and not have to deal with anything else and be able to like nap when we want to. It's nice. I jokingly said to Brandon, I'm like, we should have just booked 4 days in a hotel. Like, did we need to come to Disney World? We could have just like stayed at the Holiday Inn down the road, like, and just slept for 4 days. Because seriously, like, this is so nice. Do I have a little bit of FOMO about the fact that we're not down in Disney Springs right now? Yes, but I think overall this is just what we need. We're gonna listen to our bodies and not overdo it and ruin park days here, because park days are more important than Disney Springs in our humble opinion. You know, Disney Springs is free, the parks are not free. And if we do something else tonight, I'll show you. We thought about going to the pool bar, so if we do that, I will show you that as well. But otherwise, I don't know what the rest of this vlog is gonna be. We'll see. We will see. I will check back in just a moment. So we're headed to the pool bar, and we just had the quick service dinner. I kind of told them like what we got before. It was all right. It was all right. Very standard. The Greek salad was fine. The dressing was good.
But I will say this, we feel much better.
We do. We feel a lot better from earlier.
We took about a 45-minute nap.
Oh, I already told them all this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I gave them the scoop of what happened after the Springs.
Yeah.
How it all went down.
Either way.
Yeah, we feel much better and good enough to go get a drink.
Yeah.
So we're headed to the pool bar. Brandon got a strawberry marg.
Delicious.
I got the blueberry lemonade, which has 3 olives, curacao, lemonade, lemon, and pomegranate with Sprite. Sounds super good. Hey guys, so just closing out the vlog from day 1, we are heading out to Hollywood Studios today. Just wanted to catch you guys up that yesterday night after the pool bar, we came back and proceeded to go to bed. Nothing that exciting happened. We liked our drinks at the pool. We probably will go back if we have time. It was really good bartender. He was great. Sorry this is so foggy, it's so humid. So yeah, that is a conclusion of day 1, and if you guys are interested, we will be in Hollywood Studios today in the next vlog. So be sure to check that out, and if you like our content, give it a thumbs up. If you like our channel, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.